Good morning. I always wear my name badge when I go out, and invariably when I'm at the market or the car wash or wherever I happen to be, people see I'm in real estate, and so they say to me, well, how's the real estate market? And the way I answer them is I say, well, that depends. That depends if you're a buyer, if you're a seller, or if you're an investor. They're all three different categories, although we tend to generalize with real estate. But they have their own unique situations, and actually they're pretty good. Most people right now think it's not a good time to sell, but if you're trying to cash out, just get rid of your home and get the cash, it probably is not a good time to sell. The market can be pretty ugly out there. However, if you're looking to move up into a bigger home, it's a great time to sell. You may get less for your house, but you're also going to pay less for that other house. If you wait for the price of your house to go up, then the price of the house you want to buy is going to go up. And remember this, the higher you pay for the house, the higher your property taxes are. So if you sell for a little less and buy for less, you'll also have a lower property tax, which is considerable. If you're buying, if you're a first-time home buyer, and first-time home buyers in this market are defined as anyone who has not owned a home in the last 3 years. So if you owned a home 5 years ago and had to get out of it for whatever reason, you would qualify as a first-time home buyer. First-time home buyers get up to an $8,000 tax credit from the federal government when they purchase, which is a great deal. And there are some lending institutions that will actually allow you to use that as your down payment, and you have to check with your individual lenders for that. But first-time home buyers can finally afford a home. The homes are priced where they should be for first-time home buyers. They can afford the mortgage payments. There's some good programs out there now, and almost certainly by the time they want to move up into another home, let's say 5, 6, 7 years from now, they will have equity in the homes they buy now, where when they purchased them in 2006, 2007, and they want to sell now, there's negative equity. So it's a great time for first-time home buyers. It's also a great time for investors. Right now, cash is king. So if you go in with a cash offer on a bank-owned property, they're almost certainly going to look at your offer above other offers that have loans. And if you do have to finance it, you're going to experience a positive cash flow, because the prices of houses where we are here in the high desert are so low now that mortgage payments are running $550, $600 a month. And rents for those typical houses are going for $850, $950. So there's a positive cash flow, and you're also building equity. So it's really a good market right now, as opposed to what you might read. It just depends what your situation is. So look at the market for your individual situation. If you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them. You can email me at steve.k@century21fairway.com. And you have a great day, and remember to steer your life in the direction of your dreams.